this is our tomato fresh and cucumber fresh and frying onions and potatoes. And this is our burger, fish burger. We have onions, and then in the top we put the burger, and this is it all our lunch for happy to share to each and everyone. And all of these our food. Put in the tray for ready to for serving. This is our potato. And thank you for watching.